walking in Kwun Tong. It used to be an industrial area. But now all the factories have moved back to China. It is just the company that stays here. They don't actually work here, I was told. Just the names, like office, but not factories. A lot of construction works. They're busy, hey? Busy. You know what? Again, I was told that actually they don't need any work. They are not necessary, but they just like to dig the ground out, put something new. Like half a year or a year later, you dig it again, and then put something new again. Just repeat the whole thing 3 times, 10 times for the sake of it. Why? To keep the jobs going, to feed the people. And how do you get the money? Taxpayers' money. Well, I am told, I do not know a lot, but it makes sense, isn't it? Kwun Tong. That word's up there. It is a factory, a building to manufacture something. But they don't work here anymore, as I said. Very busy. Narrow path. Do we walk on the right or on the left now? I'm confused. Kwun Tong, Wei Yip Gai, Tong. I'm telling you the names in Cantonese. I was saying the names of the road, the streets, and the restaurant. Here we have to pay for car parks per hour or per day or per month, quarterly or yearly. See this? The first 15 minutes is free, but up there, if that is a private vehicle, $33 per hour. If that is a what's that, work vehicle, the $19. Lorry, they say lorry, like trucks. Oh, you have to push it or automatic? Yep. Manulife Financial Center, PwC. Nice decorations. We're going up. We have 2 escalators to go up. For whatever reason, they think it will be a busy building. Not many people. Okay, this is the first time that I see you can do recycling in Hong Kong. Wow, you can put a bottle in here and then you get the, how much is it? Don't know. Maybe you get money from here. I don't know, I'll have to try it once. Not busy at all. See, not many people here. Alrighty, not much to show here. I'm just going up and up and up. High-rise building, we do that a lot.